Welcome to today's video. We're diving deep into the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, the smartphone that promises to redefine everything we know about flagship devices. If you've been keeping an eye on tech leaks and rumors, you know that Samsung is bringing something truly remarkable to the table in 2025. But what exactly makes the Galaxy S25 Ultra stand out from its competitors? Well, stay tuned because we're about to break it all down for you. First, let's talk design. Samsung fans, brace yourselves because the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to come with an entirely revamped look that is set to blow us all away. Imagine a device with insanely slim bezels, practically erasing the boundaries between the screen and the body. The renders that have leaked so far are enough to make any tech enthusiast excited. While Samsung hasn't officially revealed it yet, insider leaks like from Ice Universe are giving us a peek into what could be the most futuristic design we've ever seen in a Galaxy phone. If you're the kind of person who loves an edge-to-edge display, this phone might be calling your name. But design is just the start. It's not just about looks. It's about the feel, the materials, and the overall presence. The titanium series of colors like titanium blue, titanium black, and titanium white add a touch of elegance and sophistication. If you're looking for something exclusive, the online-only shades like titanium jet black and titanium pink gold are sure to make your phone a unique fashion statement. Imagine holding a device that not only performs but also makes you feel like you're carrying a piece of art. Let's get into performance, because this is where things get really exciting. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset, the S25 Ultra is going to crush any task you throw at it. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or multitasking, this phone promises next-level speed and efficiency. And with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 TB of storage, you'll never have to worry about running out of space for your photos, apps, or media. Smoothness won't be an issue either. The S25 Ultra comes with a 6.9-inch LTPO AMOLED 2X display, meaning you're getting stunning visuals, vibrant colors, and smooth scrolling, all with an adaptive 120Hz refresh rate. This phone will take your viewing experience to new heights, whether you're watching content, gaming, or even just browsing. Now let's talk cameras, the feature that's making Samsung fans everywhere lose their minds. The 200MP main sensor is a game changer. Yes, you heard that right, minus 200 megapixels, paired with a 50MP ultra-wide lens and a 10 optical zoom telephoto lens. You won't just be taking good photos. You'll be taking captivating, professional-quality shots with insane clarity, whether you're zooming in from a distance or capturing breathtaking landscapes. Plus, the camera can shoot 8K video at 30fps, ensuring that your videos are as crisp and cinematic as your photos. Imagine having this powerhouse in your pocket, turning every moment into a work of art. But Samsung knows it's not just about the camera and display, it's about the whole experience. The S25 Ultra is expected to feature a 5,000 mAh battery that will last through all your heavy usage and charging up in no time with 45W wired charging. That means no more waiting around for your phone to power up. Just plug it in and get going. Whether you're on the go or sitting at home, your device will keep up with you day and night. Let's not forget the software. With Android 15 and One UI 7, Samsung's latest software is going to make using the Galaxy S25 Ultra a breeze. A smoother, more intuitive interface will give you the flexibility to customize your experience while keeping everything organized. Plus, 7 years of software updates means your device will stay fresh and secure for years to come. But all this wouldn't matter if the phone was overpriced. Fortunately, Samsung is rumored to price the S25 Ultra competitively, starting at $1,299 for the 12GB RAM model. Considering the specs, this is looking like a premium phone that might just beat Apple and Xiaomi at their own game. The 1TB variant is expected to retail for $1,659, and trust me, it's worth every penny. Now, before we dive into the competition, let me give you a sneak peek into something that might blow your mind even further. Samsung isn't just releasing the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Rumors are swirling about the Galaxy S25 Slim, a more compact, slimmer version of this powerhouse. With a 6.7-inch display and potentially a 200MP camera alongside other features, this could be a game-changer in the slim phone market. What's more, Samsung is looking to expand into XR, extended reality, devices, and their upcoming Project Muon Android XR headset could be unveiled alongside the Galaxy S25 series. This could revolutionize the way we interact with content in the near future, and Samsung is set to lead the charge. So what's my take on all of this? The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be the phone to beat in 2025. With stunning design, jaw-dropping performance, a mind-blowing camera system, and a competitive price point, Samsung could redefine the smartphone market once again. But there's more to come. Stay tuned for updates on the Galaxy S25 Slim, as well as other exciting features like Samsung's push into foldables and XR. Before we wrap up, I want to know, which feature of the Galaxy S25 Ultra are you most excited about? The camera? The design? Or maybe the performance? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.